The spare tire and jack kit in a 2018-2021 Kia Stinger are located in the trunk. To access them, open the trunk, then lift the floor panel, which is held in place by clips or a handle. Underneath the floor panel, you'll find a plastic cover or latch securing the spare tire. Remove this cover. This reveals the compact temporary spare tire, often called a donut, and the jack kit. The spare tire is typically 17 to 18 inches and inflated to 60 psi. The jack kit includes a scissors jack, a lug wrench, and sometimes wheel wedges. No special tools are needed beyond what's provided in the kit, although some owners find a screwdriver helpful for stubborn latches. Park on a flat surface and engage the parking brake. Place wheel wedges behind the wheels opposite the flat tire. Locate the jack points on the vehicle's frame near the flat tire. Use the lug wrench to slightly loosen the lug nuts on the flat tire, but do not remove them completely yet. Position the jack at the designated jack point and raise the vehicle until the flat tire is off the ground. Now, fully remove the lug nuts and take off the flat tire. Mount the spare tire onto the wheel studs and hand tighten the lug nuts. Lower the vehicle until the spare tire touches the ground, then fully tighten the lug nuts in a star pattern. Finally, lower the vehicle completely and give the lug nuts one last tightening. Stow the flat tire and jack kit back in their designated locations. Remember to drive cautiously to a service center to have the flat tire repaired or replaced, as the temporary spare tire is only meant for limited use, 50 to 70 miles at 50 miles per hour.